Oh, baby birdies.
You're so adorable.
They're sleeping. Don't touch.
Emily, this is a jumping trail. I know. Let's get out of here before the dad comes. Oh my god, they're so cute. I told you there were eggs in here.
Let's get them.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. They're alive, guys. And it's so cute. Alive and... Oh, look at that one! Yay! Hey, girl. Oh, no, no, no. The hole is right there. Look at that. All right. Holes covering the darkness.
Pretty good, eh?
He's putting the stuff that freezes it, covers the holes. There won't be any holes.
This is the last bottle I am going to give for the spring kids. It's a pretty glorious moment. So we are shipping these little girls off. We're going to go meet Desert Nanny and hand them on over to her so that she can take them to the California line. These girls got a home in California, so we're going to head that way and take them up.
What the heck?
This guy's building a home on his van.
Hi!
The kitties are big enough, they think they want to explore. Hi, mamas. The boy here has taken a liking to milking. So I'm trying not to be so possessive over the milking because it would sure help me out a lot time-wise. But he is doing an awesome job. What do you think, bub? You liking it?
Kind of.
Kind of? Kind of. He races over here to make sure he gets to milk his girls. Stop eating me, girl. Stop it. No. Lily. Lily. Oh, sweet babies. Oh, sweet girl. You're my favorite. Don't tell the other girls. Okay? Oh, hey, Dawn. You're my favorite. You too, Lacey. Hey guys, so I am headed off to do something pretty cool and exciting. The American Dairy Goat Association, ADGA, has thought maybe they want to bring out their national convention that they do every single year, which is a big deal. They might want to bring it out to the Tucson area in 2021. So what we're going to go do, me and some other members of SADGA, which is the Southern Arizona Dairy Goat Association, the goat club that I'm in, we're going to go check out this hotel and see if it can meet all the requirements needed to put on such a big convention like this. So there's all kinds of things that go down in the national annual meeting. So pretty excited about it. We're gonna go check it out. And I'm hoping to be able to get a little bit of footage so I can show you guys. So I'll do my best. Say hi. Hey. Hi. Gordy.
Oh, no.
Gordy.
Come on, Gordy.
No. I'm not sitting.
Well, isn't this pretty?
That is the question.
We're getting a ride to 1507. We don't know where that is though.
It's a casita.
It's a
As long
casita.
as our driver knows. That's all I care
As
about.
long as we got that, that's true.
We're in 51.
Yeah.
Where's Sophie's? I think they should go in here.
Got the boy tearing down the old hot tub deck here. Way better. Look at those pretty boys.
I'm for real though. Look at his mustache. It's about as big as his head.
His beard?
Yeah. His beard, sorry. Mustache.
He does have a glorious beard. Look at him. It's pretty, isn't it, boy? Yeah, it's
Oh.
lucky. Be nice.
No. Oh.
Lucky, will you hold that for us? Thank you. Lucky's not okay with things on his fence. He's not going to hold it for us. It's down, Lucky. You're good. You got it. Darren, will you put that back up there? Lucky, leave it. What's wrong with it?